Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about recruitment process for freshers in IT companies. So in this video, I'll be focusing on the service-based IT companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, Mindtree, and many more. So basically, all these companies have a common recruitment process. That is, you'll be having the aptitude round, TR round, HR round. Sometimes you might have the GD round somewhere in the between. So, before you go for the aptitude round or before you start attending the drives, you need to always look into that you are having the eligibility criteria. That is, some companies have their CGPA to be 60% or 7 points. So depending on that, you need to maintain your percentage. So this should be your criteria in the whole 4 years. You need to make sure that your percentage is good. So it should be 60%. For some companies, they might go for 70 or 75 also. So you need to maintain the eligibility criteria. So after you are done with the eligibility criteria, you will be called for the aptitude round. So aptitude round is the first filtering round. So in aptitude, you might get questions related to arithmetic, logical, analytical, English, or some companies may go for coding also. So coding questions will be quite simple. So depending on your interest, whichever language you're comfortable in, you can attempt in that way. So after you clear the aptitude round, you will be going for the interview round. So it will be a technical interview. It is called as TR round, technical round. So before you go for the technical round, you will be needing your resume. Okay, so the resume should be up to date and always carry 2 to 3 resumes. Okay, so and in the resume, it should be, ideally the resume should be 2 pages. So it shouldn't be more than 2 pages. Ideally 1 page is the best option, because interviewers will be handling many students, so they don't look into each and every point of the resume. So it's best that you just maintain 1 page resume, and all the details whatever you have mentioned, you need to be aware of it, and it should be up to date. So, and chronologically it should be from recent. So whatever you have done, recent certification or the recent achievements, everything should be at the first, and then chronologically it should go to the past years, whatever you have done in the last 3 to 4 years. And any mini project or major project, whatever you have done, that should also be mentioned. So when you go for the TR round is basically technical round. So in technical round, the interviewer might ask questions related to your technical subjects like DBMS, operating system, or programming. So this might be for CS or IT background. For non-CS or IT background, they might ask their own related technical subjects like electronics, ECE, or EEE. They might ask you related to basic electronics engineering, circuits, so related to their technical subjects. But programming is what they might focus on. So they might ask you the programming language which you are interested in, or they might ask you simple questions to write a logic for a given problem, like a palindrome program or prime number program, even or odd, sum of n digits. So these kind of basic programs, you need to be sure about it. Suppose if you are proficient in more than 1 or 2 programming languages, they might ask you to write the same program in those 2 programming language also. But mainly they focus on the logic. So even if you're syntactical, if the program is wrong, they don't mind. The only thing is you need to have the gist of it. You need to know the logic of the program. Other than these, some companies also ask pattern printing programs like the star pattern or the number pattern or the alphabet pattern. So you need to be thorough with those. Next is, after you clear the TR round, you will be having the HR round. So in the HR round, you might get questions related to your personality. Okay, like tell me about yourself. So basic questions: what are your strengths, what are your weakness, and what are your hobbies, and what is the recent book you have read. So they might ask you the review of it, how is the book. They might even ask you what is the recent movie you have watched and what did you learn from it. And other than these, they might even ask you, are you comfortable working in night shifts, or they might ask you, are you comfortable relocating. So sometimes depending on the job requirements, you might not get the preferred location. So you should be, at least for the first project, whatever project you get at the first, you need to be ready to relocate. So they might ask you the relocation question also. Other than these, they might ask you, why should we hire you, and like what is your goal, what is your ambition, where do you see yourself after 5 years. So these kind of questions are asked in the HR round. So once you clear the HR round, you are almost done with the recruitment process. So other than these three rounds, so some companies usually have the GD round. So GD round, basically it will be after aptitude, or some companies have after TR round also. So GD round can happen, and GD is quite simple. Only thing is they see your communication skills, how well you communicate, and GD should be like GD. It should not go to debate. Okay, it should be like a discussion. Whatever the topic your HR will be given, so you need to jot down points and you need to speak on it. So this is about the GD. So this is how basically almost all companies usually work in this fashion. After you complete the HR, you might get the results there and then, or mostly all the companies are mailing any results. So if you're selected, you'll get the mail to your Gmail ID. So this is how the process works. So there's nothing to worry if you haven't cleared the aptitude round or technical round, or sometimes even the HR round. There is no need to don't need to worry or feel depressed, because there are many companies in India. So you keep on trying and you will definitely succeed in any of the jobs. So please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting, and let me know if you want any such videos related to the recruitment process or jobs. Thank you.